with one more Boxycharm unboxing video for now. This is my January premium box. So, I've got my little card with my stuff that I got in this one. I believe I got 6 items in this one. And ironically, the values are not as high as the ones in the base box. Curiouser and curiouser, but whatever, it's cool. So anyways, first thing in here is the controversial item that they had to send out an email about. This is the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. It retails for $48. Life's turbulence means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Used as a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or in-flight lifesaver, this multitasker's nourishing vitamins, ceramides, and antioxidants leave skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. Now, what was the problem with this? Apparently there was some batch of it that left people with like major irritation and skin reactions and things, but most people who got it had no problem. So, they didn't give us a batch number to know if we have one of the affected ones. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of terrified, but I'll patch test, and odds are mine's probably fine, but the paranoia in me is like, but what if you're not? So, anyway. So there's that. Next thing in here. Let's see here. This is by Lashes MD. It retails for $69.95. And it is an eyelash growth serum, which some of the things I've seen with the eyelash growth serums make me very scared to use this. So I might resell, because I'm just like, I don't know. I'll have to do more research before I decide if I want to keep this or, you know, sell it off, because I'm just like, I don't know. It says, a lash serum that promotes fuller, stronger, and healthier lashes and brows. Well, maybe I could use it on the brows. Our signature eyelash conditioner nourishing formula is specifically designed to help eyelash growth and support strong lashes. Apply this eyelash enhancer once a day, encouraging longer and healthier lashes. Unfortunately, with a lot of lash serums, there have been issues with people ending up with major, like, eye infections and crap. I saw one horror story where somebody went fucking blind. I'm like, dude, I don't know how I feel about the eyelash serums, guys. Not gonna lie. Anyway. So this is Laura Mercier, or Mercier, I don't know how you pronounce it. Caviar Stick Eye Color. Creamy eyeshadow stick with 12-hour wear that is crease and transfer resistant for a long-lasting finish. So this is in the color Sienna. Let's take a look at it. I haven't actually looked at it. Ooh, it's like that. It's gonna be gorgeous. Oh, it's like metallic burnt orange. Fuck yeah. Okay. Very happy with that. Finally, we got a winner in this box. Finally. It retails for $29. My goodness. Okay. Next, this is by PMG Beauty. Yes, the people that made that facial vibrating thing. This is the Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. It's not silver, though. This retails for $30. What the fuck? Anyway, get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. Silver-infused microfiber makeup removing cloth. That's weird as shit. Huh. Again, I'm definitely gonna, like, do some research on that, because I'm just like, how? How? Okay. Anyways. Next. From Fenty Beauty, this is $24. This is the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. Designed to deliver Rihanna's full lash look, Full Frontal's lightweight, ultra-black formula was specifically paired with an exclusive flat-to-fat brush. The fat side holds maximum products to quickly load and lift the lashes. The flat side defines and curls. Let's see this brush. I normally wouldn't open it up to look at it till I'm ready to use it, but fuck, I need to see this. Flat to fat. Alright. Sure enough, there's definitely the flat side and the fat side. Okay, alright, you win. You win. That'll be fun to play with. Don't know if it's waterproof or not. Doesn't say it is, so it's probably not. I'll try it on a day off just to be safe, see if it's a smudger. Anyway, last thing in here is actually what I was personally most excited about. It's from Afra Beauty, which we all know I adore anything by them. This retails for $39. I'm not sure if the pink on here is smudged up. It almost looks scuffed, or if that's intentional. But it totally looks scuffed, so I'm thinking that's not intentional. Anyway, this is the Good To Go Mini Mix Palette. So smile, you are beautiful. It doesn't even need a mirror. Look at that one in the middle with the multi-shades. That's so freaking cool. I love it. But yeah, I haven't got to play with it yet, but oh my goodness, I'm excited. So, manifest good to glow looks every time in this mini full-face palette of warm shimmers and fresh neutrals, featuring Ofra's best-selling highlighter, All of the Lights. This lightweight, magnetic, and interchangeable palette is the perfect add-on to pop in your makeup bag. I'm like, ooh, oh, these are pretty. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to start playing with that. And it's got colors on the back, the names. So we've got Clean Slate, Reset, Fresh, Ready, Ambition, Goals, Intentions, Current, and All of the Lights. And then on the back it says, you won't have time to look back or think twice about the looks you create with this mini-sized full-face palette. Warm shimmers, fresh neutrals, and all of the glow you need to make this palette perfect for easy glam. Take this lightweight, magnetic, and completely refillable palette from your makeup bag to your carry-on for a full makeup routine that's always ready to go. Features our best-selling highlighter, All of the Lights. Cool. So, yeah, that's what I got. So, anyways, that is everything that I got in my January Boxycharm. I almost said Ipsy, just how to have it. Premium box. So, pretty exciting to see. I'm looking forward to seeing what I get next month, which is, I guess, this month since we're already in February. But yeah. Anyway, guys, that's it for this one. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything and more. I feel like I said that. I don't even know anymore. I'm racing. Anyways, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.